Welcome to Speed in Need. In the next video, you will see a Hayabusa, which, when it was built in 2005, was the world's fastest production motorcycle. A YouTuber turned it into a snow bike. Let's have a look.
So good, man. It's just so good. Built-in leg heater, that's nice. It's a little more comfortable than I thought, but I can see about the situation here not being ideal.
Well, especially with the lack of suspension, it's kind of a, you gotta really like brace yourself.
Just
but
kind of like keep your...
like a dirt bike, you can